everyone. I'm here to present Introduction to Python Programming in Visual Studio. Um, Obviously, first of all, you need to install Visual Studio. I hope you can figure it out with Python. So I have already installed Visual Studio 2017. Make sure you have Python 3. Um, so let's build a project. Click File, click New, and in the project, here you would see many applications and many options like Visual C++, Basic, C++, and C Sharp, and then Python. Because we're going to start this presentation and this talk for machine learning or machine vision. So I'll be using Pythons. So click over there, and then you'd see many further things in this section. I'm only going to use this Python application. Okay, um, change the folder. Okay, and I'm gonna name it like test. Click OK. It is creating project, and then you would have a very nice interface to start writing your code. So but before I go further, let me explain from where to get all the information in this for this presentation. Basically, all of these steps are mentioned here in this on this website. So docs.microsoft.com/en/us/visual studio/python/tutorial/working with Python, and so on. So here it is, installation has already been managed. I'm not going to discuss installation. I hope you can figure it out. So I'm only going to, everything is written over here. Just follow the steps. Okay. And then let's write and running code. So yeah, everything is there. So let me begin the first code. Simply start writing by print hello world, and that's it. Save it, go to debug, and just debug. And you see the output. Press any key to continue. And there we go. Now I would also describe how to use for loops and if-else conditions in this section. So let me begin. First of all, let me import math, and from math, let me import cos, sine, and radians. Okay, so writing for loops in Python is very easy. Just write for I. You don't need to define I. In range, I use range, so I'm going to use 360. So what does range do is it starts taking value from the I you initialize, which is 0, and uh, it keeps increasing like 0, 1, 2, 3 with this fashion. So print cos radians I, and that's it. And because you can see there is some syntax error, so this thing is missing. So let's just run it. So you can see that yeah, it executed well, and press any key. Now I would like to describe how to use if-else conditions. So first of all, let me explain that if x is less than 0, okay, colon, else print x is positive. um, Now I'm going to show you one more thing. Let me say x is equal to 1. So it's going to be, so it's positive and it's going to be over here. Okay. So this is very important. Start debugging. So you can see that x is positive, which I have already declared. So with every iteration in this for loop, it is running this if else condition. It's because there is no I haven't explicitly mentioned the end of for loop. Here in Python, we do not use end command or anything else. What we do is we just remove this intent. And that it shows that it is not related to for loop. And now if I run this, just please note that I have just removed this, its indentation is just removed from this for loop. Now you can see that, so for this stop. Now in the end, so it shows x is positive. So if you're gonna say x is like -1, stop it and start debugging. So it's gonna run and you're gonna see x is negative. So to go through the detailed discussion and tutorials about Python, please use this website. This is docs.python.org/3/tutorial/control flow. So here I'm at the section number 4. You're gonna see the introduction section where it is where numbers, strings, and lists are mentioned. You can just go through it. And for section number 4, it explains if statement, for statement, range, which I have already described, and it's nothing, and it just increments this I from 1 2 3 like that, like 0 1 2 3 4. That's it. It's simple. And then you can see break and continue statements, pass statement, and so on. So please go through this discussion, and it's very easy, and we'll be using this platform for machine learning, for robotics. Okay, so that's the end from my side. If you have any comment or suggestions, please write below. Thank you for watching.